All right, here we go. This section is on something called parametric equations. And before you give up and go, I don't know what parametric equations are, just watch for a second. This is just the basic idea of what's going on. If you have that red line and the blue line, and we're just doing regular algebra 2 kind of stuff, and I said, do those lines intersect? You would say, yeah, it's pretty obvious. We don't have to do any math. We can see they intersect. But let's say the red line represents, if you look at that red dot with an arrow, that's a boat at sea, and the blue line, that blue dot, is a boat at sea, and you're trying to decide, are they going to crash into each other? Well, using what we've learned in Algebra 2, all we know is the lines intersect, but we don't know what time those two boats arrive at that point of intersection. Maybe they crash, maybe they don't. So they came up with this thing called parametric equations, and you can see in red down there that we can break this equation up and say, hey, on the x-axis, that boat is moving left or right a certain amount per unit of time, and on the y-axis it's moving a certain amount up and down per unit of time. And the same is true on the blue line. It's a very simple idea. And so all we're doing is saying, hey, we've got these lines, but now we can tell what time they get to a certain point. And if you watch the following videos, you'll see how easy this is, how to convert from what you've already learned, which we call rectangular system, to this new thing that you're going to learn called the parametric equations. It's real easy. Don't be afraid. You'll get it. Boom.